I'm going to test the development workflow of the RICOH THETA X with a physical device Google Pixel 2. And the reason for that is that certain applications such as Google Photos does not appear to be working properly with the emulators. So I have the physical device shown here using Visor, and I already have it connected to Wi-Fi. So in the development workflow, this is a physical device phone, and it's not connected to the camera yet. So I'm going to physically connect it to the camera. This is the RICOH THETA X here. And now I'm going to select the physical device here, and then I'm going to run the application that we are developing. So it's going to install it on the physical. So this is the physical phone here. If I turn on the webcam, you can see that the physical device phone is just being mirrored onto the screen. So I'll flip back to the screen so you can easily see it. I'm going to press camera to pull what this does is it pulls the image file from the camera over into the phone, which is the test that we're doing. So then I'm going to use this built-in application Google Photos and look for the photo on the device which I just took. And it will operate as expected because it's running on the physical device right now. Which is kind of what you would expect. I'm going to break the Wi-Fi connection to the physical phone. So I just turned it off, and then I'm going to set up a connection to Wi-Fi from the Windows computer here. I had it previously turned off. I'm going to select the RICOH THETA X camera. I'm going to connect it. And we are experiencing some development problems with different emulators on both Windows and MacOS with the Android emulator. If I try to run it with Google Photos, here we can see the image, and it looks like it's going to work, but the image is fairly not looking very good. There's basically half of it is missing. So it's not a problem with the image itself, it's a problem with the Google Photos, how it's working on the emulator. So let's compare the difference between, so this is a physical device right now that I'm using here. Whoop. So you can see that I have the physical device, and this is the mirror of it. So I'll start Google Photos, and it seems completely fine, right? So in this demonstration, we're storing the photos from the camera in this subdirectory pictures, and this is basically the behavior you would expect, except it appears that the emulator is not working on, we tested maybe 4 different emulators across MacOS and Windows 11. So if you're stuck with some type of 360 image viewing in your development workflow, maybe give a physical device a try.